Well, hello. Welcome to Red Art Tarot. Thank you so much for being here. Everyone's welcome, always welcome. We are going to be reading for Aries today for mid-November 2025. Guys, we do have Mercury retrograde the 9th through the 29th of this month. That can potentially impact communication and travel. So make sure you get your cars serviced. That check engine light comes on, you better take it to the dealership or wherever you get your car serviced at. We're also, Saturn's influence this week will be under, which is emphasizing lessons in discipline, honesty, and using challenges for growth. And that'll be for all 12 signs, so expect challenges this week, okay? So basically the theme for the week, as we have Jupiter stationing retrograde in Cancer and our ongoing Mercury retrograde in Sagittarius and Scorpio, is about slowing down, revisiting the past decisions, and realigning with your true self rather than pushing for external results. Okay, guys? I know. Astrology can be a little confusing for some people, though. So let's get to your tarot reading. See what you got coming in for mid-November for Aries. Give it a good shuffle, guys. Okay, we have the Hermit. Okay. What else for Aries? We have Wise Counselor. Okay. And we have Five of Fire. Okay, Aries. So with that Hermit, represents introspection, solitude. A lot of you need some solitude, inner wisdom, and self-discovery. A period of reflection to look inward for answers and guidance rather than seeking external validation. So this is going right along with this astrology for this week, guys. Okay. I mean, it's dead on. Okay, it doesn't get any more clear. Okay, Wise Counselor. Okay, I feel this is the King of Wands energy here, which is you, Aries. Someone that is confident, experienced in leadership, and has the courage to act on it, okay? A very courageous type person, normally. We do have the Five of Fire, which is the Five of Wands. We may need to avoid conflicts. That could be talking about inner conflicts as well. Feel some annoyances, frustrations, competition around you. Life's feeling chaotic. Have a lot to do, a lot to get done. Not enough hours in the day, it seems. Life's not stable. I feel you are irritable this week, Aries. And you need to find some solitude or be in this hermit mode, okay? And get that solitude, and you'll get the answers that you seek, okay? And also, guys, if you're worried about some kind of competition and wanting to just give up, I think you need to rethink this decision, because you will beat the competition, will rise to the top. You know, Rome wasn't built in a day, okay? I also get study and learning as you go. It will get better, Aries. You will see results of your efforts, okay? Let's get our yin and yang. See what else we can get here. Okay. I feel balance is needed. Oh. Okay, what else? Okay. The higher self goes right with that hermit there. Energies. Okay. Okay, so balance is needed here. And you need to be taking time to take care of you. Self-care needs, mental needs also. So you need to get that solitude, that downtime, to clear the clutter out of your mind here. Okay, we don't have any swords, but I feel like you're kind of stuck in your head also here, Aries. Continue to work on your creativity projects. Find the time to do it. You are trying, you're becoming your best self. You're trying to be your best self, but feeling very sensitive, vulnerable even at this time. I get tired and annoyed this week is what I'm feeling. Yeah, we got lack and worry. Doubts is here this week also. But again, things will start looking better. Maybe closer to the winter months here, okay? Which is, you know, I mean, it's going to be winter time before we know it. But remember, guys, we are in this Mercury retrograde, and Jupiter is retrograde also, and it's wanting us to slow down, revisit past decisions, and realign with our true selves. And I say this energy is definitely coming from that. And this type of energy is most likely what every sign will be feeling this week anyway. Okay, let's see what else we can get. What deck do I want to use? Let's try this one. What else for Aries? Mid-November, please. Yeah, look at there. Rest. Yeah, you need to get enough rest here, Aries. And you will definitely feel less irritable. Be more focused. This is probably 80% of your problem here, Aries, not getting proper sleep, proper downtime. Okay? You need to work on that. What else for Aries, please? These cards are huge. What else for my Aries mid-November, please? What else do they need to know? Okay, Aries, you got name it, claim it. Okay. So again, follow your inner guidance instead of following others. Don't try to shape shift to fit into with others. Do you understand that? Did I say that right? Do not try to shape shift to fit in with the crowd kind of type energy. Act in alignment with your true self, okay? All right, again, that's what Jupiter's trying to teach us. This reading's so weird. It's just right in alignment with what's going on with astrology, guys. It's all related, okay? Do I want to pull some more? Let's see. What else have I got here? Okay. Anything else for Aries, please? What else for my lovely Aries, my fire sign babies? Unplug. Okay. Recharge your soul batteries by unplugging from the digital world. Connect with yourself by disconnecting from distractions, such as other people's to-do list. Take a stroll. The best way to generate fresh and innovate ideas is to balance the virtual and natural worlds. Okay? The birds in the trees have just as much to teach you as the internet. Oh my God, y'all. Alright. One more. What else for Aries? Anything else for Aries? Okay. Calcite. Busy times and multitasking. Take charge of your schedule during this busy time and honestly assess your underlying reasons for being busy. All right, guys. They're wanting you to rest, okay, and be your true, authentic self here. It's going to get better. We're going to have to get through these energies this week, guys. Aries, much love to you. I'll be back really soon. Next week, we'll do another reading, see what the energies are. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. This is still a new channel. I'm trying to grow here, guys, so give me your support, especially if it resonates. You want to come back and see what the energies are next week, right? All right, guys. Take care. Have a great week, Aries. Bye for now.